Oh, good day, Matt.
Hi, Lucy.
Excuse me, I think you mean Your Majesty or Her Royal Highness. Today we shall discover how to speak informally.
Informally.
Yes.
But you're dressed up as the Queen.
Dressed up, that's perfect. I want more phrasal verbs like that. I would like to be able to communicate with my people more directly.
What do you mean?
I shall demonstrate for you. If you use phrasal verbs, then you can speak English in a more informal way. For example, you're dressed up as the Queen.
Wait, what exactly is a phrasal verb?
A phrasal verb needs two things, a verb and a preposition or two. And when you put these things together, they create a new meaning.
So you mean the verb dress just means wear clothing?
Precisely. But dress up means to wear formal or fancy clothing, like mine.
Okay, how many phrasal verbs are there in English?
Oh, Matt, that's a fabulous question. There are thousands. Get up, do over, look after, take in, put down.
Gosh, and how can you pick them up?
Pick up another fantastic example. Well, sadly, one must simply memorize them.
Oh, do people use phrasal verbs often then?
Oh, Matt, they use them all the time. They are especially useful in casual conversations.
Okay, I think I've figured it out.
Well done, Matt, another phrasal verb. So today we learned how to speak informally using phrasal verbs.
Okay, Queenie, why don't you try one out?
Splendid idea. So, Matt, what are you getting up to this afternoon?
Nice one. I'm going to get a burger. Want to come?
Burgers, disgusting peasant food. No, thank you.
Hello there! Hey, if you enjoyed that, you'll enjoy lots more at e2school.com. Check out the website, and also if you haven't yet done it, hit the subscribe button.